Welcome to the Qramp Modular Access System Custom Ramp Builder experience. This system will help you design a ramp to fit your needs and afterwards provide you with a parts list to ensure you order everything you need to build your perfect ramp. To start, we need to know the rise or height of the ramp in inches and your target slope. This number should include any grading or slope of property. The rise of the ramp is the vertical measurement from the ground at the start of the ramp to where the ramp meets the house or porch. It is essential to note that the grading of your area needs to be factored in. The exterior grade may not be level, thus changing the length and slope of your ramp. For instance, if the grade is 4 inches lower than the initial height of your level line, you will need to add 4 feet to your ramp. The most common slope is 1.12, or 1 inch of rise for every 12 inches of ramp. This is the slope most municipal codes recommend and is ADA compliant. You can choose a steeper or more gentle slope if you prefer. For our example, we're going to put in a rise of 24 inches. Click Continue, and we can start building the ramp. The builder begins at house level. The first thing we choose is how we want to transition onto the ramp. This could be a simple transition plate or a transition section. As the door will not be swinging over the ramp, we will be selecting Mod 6 as our starting point to transition from the porch onto the ramp. You'll notice the info box will now display the calculated slope based off the added sections. You can click and drag the info box to anywhere on the page. You can also toggle the info box visibility using the info button along the top. Now let's add a sloping section. Mod 1. We click on that section and choose 1. As you add sections, you may notice your options in the blue bar may change. This is because certain sections have special requirements for what can be attached to them. This builder will only show you legitimate options. Next, let's add a 90-degree turn. As you make changes to your layout, keep an eye on the info box to achieve the correct slope. If you make a mistake, you can double-click on a piece to remove it. Once you've achieved an acceptable slope, the info box will highlight your slope in green and say, Target Slope Achieved. Additionally, one other tool this builder offers is measurement tools to help visualize the size of your ramp. Click on the Measure tool to add a measurement to your layout. Upon the completion of your ramp, please save a list of your required modules. Thank you for choosing Qramp. We hope you enjoy your new ramp for years to come.